Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can turn on blue light or night light, since most people face the issue of having sight problems while using their computer. So today I'm going to teach you how to stop it, so first go on settings. Then go on system. Now as you can see we have night light settings, click on it. As you can see we finally have where to turn on our night light, so click on turn on. And if you check you will see that your computer has acquired night light, and if you scroll down, you will see that you have a place where you can see schedule it to when it will open, and you click on it to set time. So thanks for watching and make sure you subscribe.